Social Media Marketing Crash Course, Social Media for Customer Service. Introduction. Welcome to the Social Media Marketing Crash Course. In this lesson, we will explore the power of social media for customer service. Social media platforms have become essential channels for customers to reach out to businesses, voice their concerns, and seek assistance. By effectively utilizing social media for customer service, businesses can provide timely support, build strong relationships with their customers, and enhance their overall brand reputation. In this crash course, we will share interesting stories, delve into the top 12 social media for customer service methods and techniques, and equip you with the knowledge to deliver exceptional customer support through social media. Stories and examples. 1. JetBlue Airways. JetBlue is known for its outstanding customer service on social media. In one instance, a passenger tweeted about his delayed flight, and within minutes, JetBlue responded with an apology and a solution. This swift and personalized response not only resolved the customer's issue but also showcased JetBlue's commitment to customer satisfaction. 2. Zappos and going the extra mile. Zappos, an online shoe and clothing retailer, is renowned for its exceptional customer service. They once received a tweet from a customer requesting pizza delivery along with their shoe order. Surprisingly, Zappos not only sent the shoes but also fulfilled the pizza request, going above and beyond to delight their customer. Top 12 Social Media for Customer Service Methods/Techniques. 1. Active monitoring. Continuously monitor your social media channels to identify customer queries, complaints, and feedback. 2. Prompt responses. Respond to customer inquiries and concerns in a timely manner to demonstrate your commitment to their satisfaction. 3. Personalization. Address customers by their names and personalize responses to create a more engaging and empathetic interaction. 4. Knowledge base integration. Integrate your social media customer service with your knowledge base to provide consistent and accurate information. 5. FAQs and Self-Service. Create and promote a frequently asked questions (FAQs) section or self-service options to empower customers to find answers themselves. 6. Proactive engagement. Reach out to customers who mention your brand or show signs of needing assistance, even if they haven't explicitly reached out for help. 7. Social listening. Monitor social media conversations related to your industry or brand, even if you haven't been directly tagged, to identify potential issues or customer needs. 8. Multi-channel support. Offer support across various social media platforms to meet customers where they are comfortable engaging with your brand. 9. Escalation protocols. Define protocols to escalate and address complex or urgent issues that cannot be resolved immediately through social media channels. 10. Empathy and emotional intelligence. Practice active listening, empathy, and emotional intelligence to understand and address customers' emotional needs. 11. Collaborative problem solving. Work collaboratively with other departments or teams within your organization to provide comprehensive solutions to customer issues. 12. Data analysis and feedback. Analyze customer inquiries, complaints, and feedback received through social media to identify recurring issues and areas for improvement. Summarization. Social media has transformed customer service, providing businesses with direct access to their customers and the opportunity to deliver exceptional support. Active monitoring, prompt responses, personalization, and knowledge base integration are key techniques for effective social media customer service. Proactive engagement, social listening, and multi-channel support help businesses stay ahead and cater to customers' needs. Empathy, collaborative problem solving, and data analysis ensure customer satisfaction and continuous improvement. Poem. In the realm of social media, where conversations ignite, customer service takes flight, shining so bright. Active monitoring, an attentive eye. Resolving queries, as time flies by. Prompt responses, a friendly hello. Addressing concerns, letting worries go. Personalization, a touch of care. Customers feel valued, beyond compare. Knowledge base integrated, a source of aid. Accurate information, never to fade. FAQs and Self-Service, empowering hearts. Finding answers, a journey that starts. Proactive engagement, reaching out with grace. Anticipating needs, at a steady pace. Social listening, beyond the call. Capturing insights, before they fall. Multi-channel support, options abound. Where customers gather, solutions are found. Escalation protocols, for complex strife. Resolving issues, to transform their life. Empathy and emotional intelligence in play. Understanding emotions, day by day. Collaborative problem solving, minds align. Bringing resolution, together we shine. Data analysis, a treasure trove. Improving service, from above. Social media for customer service, the key. Building relationships, for all to see. Song. Verse 1. In the digital realm, where voices connect, customer service thrives, with respect. Social media, the stage so grand. Helping customers, hand in hand. Chorus. Active monitoring, a vigilant sight. Responding swiftly, with all our might. Personalization, a touch so sweet. Making customers' experiences complete. Verse 2. Knowledge-based integration, a fountain of light. Guiding customers, day and night. FAQs and self-service, answers they find. Empowering hearts, a journey of a kind. Chorus. Proactive engagement, a step ahead. Anticipating needs, no customer misled. Social listening, a symphony of care. Hearing their voices, beyond compare. Bridge. Multi-channel support, options galore. Meeting customers where they explore. Escalation protocols, for challenges untold. Resolving issues, as stories unfold. Chorus. Empathy and emotional intelligence, a listening ear. Understanding emotions, conquering fear. Collaborative problem solving, united we stand. Finding solutions, hand in hand. Outrow. Data analysis, the story we unveil. Improving service, setting sail. Social media for customer service, our guide. Building relationships, side by side. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.